Hello friends, today, Saturday, April 29th. I am your host, Imran Rasheed Khan, and you are listening to the IR News podcast. Turkey has gained the title of nuclear energy as its first factory. The atomic power plant, NPP, has received the first load of nuclear oil operating. In the incident that gave Achio the title of atomic factory. After 60 years of delay, Turkey has joined the world's atomic powers. The second news is that Turkey has seized the 1800-year-old tomb smuggled from Italy. According to the details, President Rajjab Tayyip Erdogan and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin attended the video conference. Erdogan said at the ceremony that with the delivery of nuclear oil by air and sea, the Achio power plant had become a nuclear hub. Turkey has been included in the list of nuclear powers in the world despite a 60-year delay. On the other side, Turkey has discovered an 1800-year-old tomb smuggled from Italy, which was smuggled from the ancient city of Zigma in Gaziantep province. Turkish Culture and Tourism Minister Mehmet Nuri Ersoy said a historical heritage has been brought back to Turkey. Today, I would like to return another sample of the original to this ancient city, Ersoy said on Twitter. Our fight against the trafficking of historical artifacts will continue with all our partners. Ursa also shared a photo of the returnee. Okay friends, we'll meet again with a new podcast. Stay in God's protection. Bye.